Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best feather dusters that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Extendable 4-pack microfiber feather duster. This budget-friendly option includes 4 microfiber dusters with extendable poles and bendable heads. While the head length is compact at 6 inches, the pole can extend from 13 to 31 inches, making it ideal for cleaning tight spaces and smaller items like computer screens, photo frames, and furniture. The microfiber head is static charged to attract dust effectively, and its washable design ensures easy maintenance. In terms of build quality, the dusters are lightweight and feature metal handles with polyester heads. While the materials are durable enough for light cleaning tasks, they may not hold up well for heavier or frequent use, especially given the limited extension range compared to other products on our list. The bendable head adds versatility, allowing you to clean corners and crevices, but the shorter pole length limits its reach for high surfaces. The Extendable set is ideal for users who need a compact and portable solution for everyday cleaning tasks. However, it lacks the premium feel and performance of some higher-ranked models. Pros include its affordable multi-pack offering, washable heads, and lightweight design. Cons include limited reach, lower build quality, and less effective dust trapping in comparison to competitors. This is best suited for light cleaning tasks and smaller spaces. At number 4, we have the BOOMJOY microfiber feather duster. This duster features an impressive 100-inch telescoping pole, which makes it perfect for cleaning high ceilings, ceiling fans, and other hard-to-reach areas. Its microfiber head is static charged to attract dust effectively, and the bendable head can adjust to various angles, helping you clean corners and irregular surfaces with ease. It's washable and detachable, which allows for hassle-free maintenance. The design of the BOOMJOY is thoughtful, with a stainless steel pole that feels sturdy and durable. The microfiber head is soft and gentle on surfaces, ensuring no scratches during use. However, the head may lose its fluffiness over time, especially with frequent washing. The pole's length is great for reaching high areas, but its flexibility can make the duster harder to control when fully extended. This duster is best suited for users who need a versatile tool for larger spaces. It excels in performance for high surfaces, but may not be the best for delicate items or tight spaces due to its larger head size. Pros include its long reach, bendable head, and washable design. Cons are its occasional lack of precision when extended and slightly higher price point compared to similar models. Overall, it's a strong contender for larger cleaning tasks. Coming in at number 3 is the Swiffer Duster Heavy-Duty Starter Kit. This kit includes a 3-foot extendable handle and 3 disposable dusters, which are designed to trap and lock dust with their 360-degree fibers. The heavy-duty design is particularly effective for removing stubborn dust and allergens, making it a great option for households with pets or allergy concerns. The compact handle is perfect for reaching vents, blinds, and light fixtures. The design and build quality of the Swiffer duster are solid, with a lightweight aluminum handle and specially coated fibers that enhance dust trapping. The handle's extendable feature is convenient, but it doesn't compare to the longer poles of other models on this list. Additionally, the disposable dusters mean recurring costs for refills, which might not be ideal for budget-conscious buyers. This duster is perfect for small spaces and quick cleaning tasks where convenience is key. It's compact, easy to store, and highly effective at tackling allergens. Pros include its lightweight design, allergen removal capabilities, and simple assembly. Cons are its limited reach and the need for ongoing refills. If you're looking for a hassle-free solution for everyday dusting, this is a great option. At number 2, we have the DELUX Microfiber Feather Duster. This model stands out with its 100-inch extra-long telescoping pole, bendable head, and innovative split fiber technology for maximum dust collection. The pole is lightweight yet sturdy, and the microfiber head features a soft silicone tip to prevent scratches on delicate surfaces. It's highly versatile, making it suitable for cleaning ceiling fans, window blinds, furniture, and even cars. The design and build quality are impressive, with a stainless steel pole and a removable, washable microfiber head. The bendable head adds convenience, allowing you to adjust the angle for cleaning awkward spots. However, the pole becomes slightly less stable when fully extended, which can affect precision during use. The soft microfiber material is excellent for trapping dust and hair, and it performs even better when used slightly damp. This duster is ideal for users who need a high-reach solution for larger spaces and multi-surface cleaning. Pros include its long reach, bendable head, and washable design. Cons are occasional instability at full extension and slightly higher weight compared to lighter models. Overall, it's a versatile and powerful cleaning tool for tackling hard-to-reach areas. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the OXO Good Grips Microfiber Delicate Duster. Known for its premium build and performance, this duster features a light, fluffy microfiber head that's perfect for dusting delicate items like picture frames and knickknacks. The fine microfiber strands effectively trap dust without the need for cleaning chemicals, making it a hypoallergenic option. Plus, the head pops off with the squeeze of a button for machine washing, ensuring long-term usability. The design is sleek and ergonomic, with a soft, non-slip handle that feels comfortable during use. It's compact at 13 inches in length, making it ideal for small spaces and precise cleaning tasks. While it lacks the extendable pole of other models, its performance on delicate surfaces is unmatched. The ability to machine wash the head is a major advantage, saving users from the hassle of hand washing. This duster is perfect for users who prioritize precision and ease of use. Pros include its high build quality, washable and reusable head, hypoallergenic design, and ergonomic handle. Cons are its shorter reach and lack of versatility for larger spaces. If you're looking for the best overall duster for delicate surfaces, the OXO Good Grips Microfiber Duster is a clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.